Want to wake up with glowing, youthful skin? The secret isn't in expensive treatments. It's in your nighttime habits. In this video, I'll reveal the essential nighttime routine that can transform your skin while you sleep. Before we dive into the habits, let's talk about why your nighttime routine is so important. 1. Remove makeup and cleanse properly. Use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to remove all traces of makeup. Follow with a gentle face wash to remove dirt and excess oil. If you have acne-prone skin, choose a salicylic acid cleanser to prevent breakouts. 2. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and helps your skincare products penetrate deeper. Use a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid for brighter skin. If you prefer physical exfoliation, choose a gentle scrub, no harsh beads. 3. Apply a hydrating toner or essence. After cleansing, your skin needs hydration. Use a hydrating toner with hyaluronic acid or rose water. Pat it gently into the skin, don't rub. If you have oily skin, choose a lightweight essence to balance all levels. 4. Use a nighttime serum game changer. This is where the magic happens. Serums contain powerful active ingredients that repair and rejuvenate your skin overnight. Vitamin C brightens skin and fades dark spots. Retinol boosts collagen and fights wrinkles. Used 2 to 3 times a week. Niacinamide reduces redness, minimizes pores, and strengthens the skin barrier. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and plumps the skin. Apply 1 or 2 serums, depending on your skin's needs, for maximum rejuvenation. 5. Lock in moisture with a night cream. Choose a moisturizer with ceramides and peptides to repair the skin barrier. If you have oily skin, go for a gel-based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, use a richer night cream with shea butter or squalane. Locking in moisture prevents fine lines, dryness, and dullness. 6. Don't forget eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to wrinkles. A good eye cream can reduce dark circles and puffiness, prevent crow's feet and fine lines, keep the area hydrated and fresh. 7. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. This simple habit can make a huge difference. Silk pillowcases reduce friction on your skin, preventing wrinkles, absorb less moisture than cotton, keeping your skin hydrated, help reduce hair breakage and frizz. 8. Stay hydrated and avoid sugar before bed. Drink a glass of water before bed to keep your skin hydrated. Avoid sugar and processed foods. They cause breakouts and inflammation. Instead, eat skin-friendly foods like almonds, avocado, and herbal tea. Beauty sleep is real. Which of these habits do you already follow? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.